Welcome back everyone, I am Jack here. This tutorial I am going to show you how to enable disable apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you are new here my channel, please subscribe my channel, also like this video. So let's jump right in. First of all, open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Once you are in the main settings, scroll down to the very bottom, look for the apps option, click on them. After the apps page is open, look for the three-line menu icon. Once you found them, tap on it. Here you can see various options. Scroll down a little, find the disable option, select it, then tap OK. After that, here you can see all of the disable app listed there. Scroll down a little, find the app if you want to enable. For example, I am enable this contact app. So tap on their name, open the next page. In the app info page, at the very bottom here you can see various options. Look for the enable button. Once you found them, click on it and automatically enable the apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. To check these processes work or not, simply return to your home page, swipe up to open the app door. Here you can swipe left to right or right to left, find the app. This app is appear. Tap on it and that's it. Thanks for watching.